2025 Prelim SCGS Paper 1 Booklet B, question 23. The total distance between town A and town B is 80 kilometers. Let's draw this as we read the question. Okay. Town A and B distance equals to 80 kilometers. Okay, let's also draw our triangle. D, T, S, right? Now distance is 80 kilometers. At 8 a.m., the car left town A for town B. Okay, this is the car. Driving at a constant speed of 90 kilometers. At the same time, a bus left town B for town A. Okay, bus is here. It's the bus. Driving at a constant speed of 60 kilometers. What time would the car and the bus pass each other? Okay, the car and the bus will pass each other when they covered the entire distance of 80 kilometers, right? And then you can also know their combined speed, which is 90 plus 60, which is 150 kilometers per hour. What does this mean? This means that in 1 hour, both the car and the bus will cover 150 kilometers. Okay, so let's calculate the time taken before they meet. Okay, the time taken for them to meet, and that's distance. Here, distance over speed. Alright, that will give us time. So distance is 80. Combined speed is 150. So that will give us 8 over 15 hours. Okay, let's convert this to minutes. 8 over 15 times 60. Okay, 1, 4. This will give us 32 minutes. Okay, so at the time 32 minutes, from the time they start, they will meet. And car A and car B left their respective starting point at 8 a.m. So in 32 minutes, what time will it be? 0832. Okay, that is the time that the car and the bus will pass each other, 0832.